Innovation is crucial to staying competitive and is dependent on your team's ability to iterate designs seamlessly. In no other platform today will you find the same level of seamlessness and all-around simulation power that's found within Fusion 360. In the following 3 examples, we'll show you how Fusion 360 will allow you to explore near limitless opportunities in an effort to optimize designs while taking performance and load-bearing capabilities to the limits. Using parts from the CNC router you've already familiarized yourself with in an earlier demonstration, we'll explore design alternatives using a number of different simulation capabilities, such as static stress studies, used to understand the behavior of linear materials under constant load, buckling studies, to anticipate potential failures in those slender members in compression due to buckling, event simulation, that not only considers nonlinear materials like plastics, but also changing contact and dynamic loads, and finally a shape optimization to explore how you can aggressively remove materials from nearly any design. Throughout each of these examples, we'll be taking advantage of what truly distinguishes Fusion 360 in this realm: cloud solving. By using this capability, you'll be able to work through far more simulations than ever before. It's time you realize your full innovation capacity by using the only integrated CAD, CAM, and CAE platform that is prepared to take you to the future of making things: Fusion 360.